Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love IKEA as much as I do, but sometimes feel overwhelmed by all the choices, don't worry, I got you. Today, we're checking out some of the most useful, stylish, and clever IKEA finds that can make your home more organized, functional, and maybe even a little smarter. Whether you need better storage, space-saving furniture, or a touch of smart home magic, I've got something for you. All the links to these products are in the description below, so grab a snack, get cozy, and let's dive in. First up, we have the PARASOLL Door window sensor. This little guy is perfect for anyone who's ever wondered if they left a door or window open. It lets you know when a door or window is open or closed. You can even pair it with a smart bulb, so when you open the door, the light automatically turns on. Next, let's talk about the OLSERÖD Side Table. This one is a total game changer. It's a side table that you can easily slide over your lap to eat dinner while watching TV. No more balancing plates on your knees. Then, when guests arrive, you can transform it into a stylish coffee table. Plus, it has a handy storage pouch under the table for small items like remotes, snacks, or anything you want to keep close by. So convenient! If you're looking for a kitchen gadget that'll save you time, the up-filled salad shaker is it! You can rinse your veggies with just a little bit of water, shake it up, and the strainer does all the work, draining out the dirt and excess water. It's perfect for salads, fruits, or any delicate veggies, and it even stores your salad in the fridge without getting soggy. How amazing is that? For all you cheese lovers, the up-filled cheese slicer is a must-have. It gives you perfectly thin slices of cheese every time, whether you're making sandwiches, snacks, or charcuterie boards. It's so easy to clean. Just pop it in the dishwasher, and the colorful handle makes it super easy to find in your kitchen drawer. No more hunting around for it. Next up, the Rotholt Smart Lock. This keyless battery-powered smart lock is perfect for securing cabinets and drawers around your home. Forget about fumbling for keys. Just use the included master key cards to lock and unlock your belongings. If you're always on the go, the O-Trusting Steel Vacuum Flask is perfect for any adventure. It has 2 mugs for sharing, a dry food compartment for things like tea bags, sugar, or soup croutons, and it keeps your drinks hot for hours. The sturdy handle makes it easy to carry, and it's great for hikes, picnics, or any outdoor activity where you need a little pick-me-up. You will love this. For those looking to stay organized, the whole bar pull-out frame for recycling is perfect for keeping your recycling neat and tidy. It mounts inside your cabinet, giving you quick access to your bins while keeping them out of sight. Plus, it even has drainage holes, which makes it great for use in the kitchen or bathroom. So handy. Next up, the Farmark Vest Compost Bin. This sleek gray-green bin is perfect for keeping your kitchen clean and eco-friendly. Just place it on your countertop while you cook and easily toss in food scraps. No more mess. You don't need a bag since it's super easy to rinse or hand wash after emptying. Plus, the foldable handle makes it a breeze to carry and empty. And the best part? It's made with at least 50% recycled plastic, helping you reduce waste while keeping your kitchen fresh and tidy. How awesome is that? the Tiskin hook with suction cup. This is a game changer if you want to add extra hooks without drilling holes in your walls. Simply press it against any smooth surface, and the suction cups will hold tight. If you want to move it, just pop it off with ease. No marks or holes left behind. How awesome is that? Then we have the HemaFixar storage case again. This fabric storage box is both stylish and functional. It protects your things from dust and dirt, and the side opening means no more struggling to reach your stuff. Even when stacked, these boxes hold their shape thanks to a sturdy hidden frame. Plus, they fit perfectly in a pack's wardrobe, making organizing a breeze. Next, let's get our hands dirty, but not really, with the Griesmero 3-piece gardening tool set. These lightweight yet sturdy tools are reinforced with fiberglass, making them super durable. And the best part? They come with a ring to keep them all together, so you won't have to play hide and seek with your gardening gear. Meet Veskin Cart, the MVP of small bathrooms. This compact, easy-to-assemble cart is perfect for toiletries, fits in tight spaces, and even has drainage holes, making it great for the shower. And did I mention it has wheels? Move it wherever you need, quick and easy. Now, who doesn't love breakfast in bed? The Resgood's bed tray is perfect for lazy mornings or even for working from the couch. It's made of durable bamboo, has foldable legs for easy storage, and keeps your coffee or mimosas steady while you lounge. A must-have for cozy days. Finally, let's talk smart home magic with the Valhorn wireless motion sensor. This handy device turns lights on when it detects movement, perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. You can connect it to up to 10 light sources at once and even control it through the Dirigira Hub and IKEA Home Smart app. It's a simple way to make your home safer and more convenient. And that's a wrap on today's IKEA finds. Which one was your favorite? Are you team storage solutions or do you love a good smart gadget? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful or just love a good IKEA haul, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more IKEA treasures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy shopping!